Hi guys, and today we're back with another video with Boo Bear. So today we're at this field
Up my road. I'm not going to say the road name.
But yeah, so
That's the way. I like it that way, That's the way. I like it that way. So yeah, we brought our dogs. Ted's over there.
there's Ted.
My dog's Millie and Flo are here.
Flo's the big.
And this one's Millie.
Anyway,
And then I'm Jazzy.
let's wander over that way. You might know this place, but anyway,
Yeah, you might know this place if you live near here.
we're gonna go this
I'm going
way.
to let my dogs off now.
We're gonna go in the direction of Ted. So we're just gonna wait for.
We're going to go in the direction of the trees.
Yes.
Let's go. So we were up here earlier planning what we should do for our video, and we decided to do creepy things, and we found this pocket knife in a tree.
And trust me, this.
It looks like it's not there.
Yeah, but look at this.
That looks so creepy.
I
It
know.
looks like a pocket knife.
Yeah.
Because that wasn't there yesterday when I came, so they obviously done it. Oh my god, who is that over there? It's creepy woman. Wait, is that Skippy?
Look, all these trees are scratched. It's really creepy
I
here.
think I see the pocket knife.
And like around here, there's these like
Flo, Millie, come on.
there's like shut down factories that
It's
have
over there though.
over there, but they.
I think I can still see the pocket knife. But if it's not there, it's going to be really creepy. Because it was there like 5 minutes ago.
Yeah, and if it's not there, I'll put a picture up on it on the thing so you can see it.
I think it's...
I think
oh my
it is
god,
though.
Ella. Oh my god, it's not there anymore.
It's not there.
It's not there.
And we're being serious, guys. We did not make this happen. Come
We'll
on.
put the picture of the pocket knife up at the end of the video. But guys, we are serious.
There was.
That lady took it off. No one's been up there.
Yeah, we're the only ones that's been up here so far.
Oh my god, guys, this is a... Oh my god. I don't know. There could be someone like me. Oh no, it's still there.
Oh,
It's still there.
phew.
We were looking at the wrong spot, but it's still there. And it
So-
looks like it's covered in blood or Ribena.
It looks more like Ribena. But
Oh
that
my
was.
God, look at this bit. What's that?
So Ribena.
Yeah, that's a Ribena. Right, guys.
But that was so creepy. Anyway,
And when we were in the bushes, over there, we kept hiding snaps and we stopped and they kept on snapping. It was so cool. Right, so we're not going to go in the bushes.
we are, because I can legit, I think I legit can see someone in there.
No, I'm not.
Let's just walk closer to where I think I can see the person.
No, it's not.
Let's just walk closer. We won't go in the bush.
No, I see what you're looking at. Really scary. No.
And we legit haven't done anything. Like, this was all happened. We weren't going to do anything.
Go away!
We weren't planning on doing anything creepy.
I think it's there. Right, so I just.
It looks more like a tree actually now. Thinking of it.
Yeah, but I just want to walk not in the woods anyway.
We're not going to walk near the. We're not going to walk in the woods. We're going to walk near it. But anyway,
I'm going to put my dogs on the lead instead.
like
But they won't run in my
we weren't actually going. But anyway, everyone knows. Well, everyone knows creepy things happen when dogs act weird. So at the moment, I don't think.
Is it me or has that shape gone?
No. Oh, the dogs aren't.
Look again, Ted.
I don't think the dogs are really acting weird, but yeah.
Just because that dog's so big.
But it might be that dog that is acting weird. I don't know. But
Pardon me. No, there was this dog that just had babies when we went up Finching Field. Like, there's this big garden that's fenced off from a path, and we were like, because there was like a tiny puppy near the fence. I was like, "Oh, go back to your mum." And it came barking. I was like, no, I heard something, and then all of a sudden there was this dog, and I was like, "Yeah, let's go." And we got to touch baby lambs as well. That was on my birthday, guys. Oh yeah, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to Ella.
yeah.
My bestie.
So just
Subscribe if you like my cute face. Just saying, I am the selfie queen and I want to be a pop star when I'm older.
I can see that pocket knife well now. So I think it was because we were in a different angle.
Yeah, and plus there's someone. But I'm not walking near them woods. Oh my god.
Look, there's like those everywhere. There was a deodorant. There was a deodorant cap though earlier, wasn't there?
Hey, it's creepy driving.
I can't actually see anymore.
Did you hear that?
Yes, but I can't actually see that shape. So I think it was just like.
Should we go in the tree tunnel?
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not scared when I go in the tree tunnel. But I mean, if we've just seen something like that pocket knife, I will legit scream if we see something else creepy.
Yeah.
Do you remember when I got stung by a wasp?
Yeah.
That was funny. What did you think had happened to me?
I thought bee was stung you, but obviously
No, like when you first heard me screaming.
I was like, what's happened? What on earth happened? Anyway. Ugh.
Come on, Pomeranian Ted.
Come on, Ted.
Have a 2 million golden retrievers float. For you know, my name is not Jazzy, it's Jasmine, but we can call her Jazzy.
So
Should we ask if we can do a YouTube video at the barbecue?
you should. But we've got to make sure everyone.
Yeah, we've got to make sure Phoebe and Abigail are allowed in.
Yeah, so we're just talking about
Barbecue. I'm doing a barbecue at my house. We're not going to film my house number and my road plate before you ask.
No, we're gonna put an emoji on it.
Yeah.
Cute.
Oh no, I watched these people. Oh,
What?
Subscribe. Oh my god. That's creepy.
It's like a pillow.
Like a paper. Right, come on. Right, so I'm doing a barbecue and we have this like little friend group called Squad. Squad, not Squad. Squad. Oh my god, there was wet mud there. It was disgusting. And we're going to do a YouTube video.
I've been to.
And we're going to film, because it's literally a barbecue and they're staying around for a sleepover as well. And we're going to make slime at 3 AM.
Anyway, I think
that's the end of the video. That's a wrap. Right, so guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to Ella's channel. And just leave a comment. Do you mind if it's a hate comment or a like comment?
it doesn't mind. It won't mind, but
As long as they don't swear. And if they're like hate comments, just let them be tips on how to like. If any of you YouTubers are watching, like, just give her tips on how to YouTube, because she's a bit confused of how to. Because she's only just started, that's what I mean.
leave a like and subscribe.
Bye!
We love you.
Bye!